Good day and welcome to my art diary. Today I'm doing a funky color blob experimental look using mainly wetliners. And I've already off camera highlighted my brow bone, but then here you see me going in with a fluffy crease brush and I'm just setting that base with a lot of loose powder. You really do need a dry base for the wetliners so that they don't bleed. And here you see me going in with my nail art brush that has been dipped in a blue wet liner, and you can just see me starting to draw this kind of shape. It turns out to look kind of like a crescent shape, but I guess I won't be talking too much during this video because it really is just all experimental and very random, and that's what's so fun about it. And here you see me drawing in with a green wet liner, and I'm just going along that shape that I've previously put down. And here I go in with a yellow wet liner, and I feel like I use this as kind of like a highlight between the two colors, between the green and the blue. And here I go in with yet another color, and I think you could call this a coral. It's very pretty. here I go in with a Q-tip and micellar water, just correcting some mistakes. Anytime you see me do that, it's just me removing something that I ended up not liking. And here I go in with a neon orange wet liner, and I'm just drawing a random shape on my mobile lid. I'm really sad that it didn't pick up that well on video, but it looked much better in pictures, and so I'll be including a couple of pictures at the end of this video. And here you can see I left a little space between the orange and the coral, and I'm going in with a gold glitter liner by Ioni. If you know this brand, I am obsessed with their lashes. I get them from the Dollar Tree. I also got this glitter liner from the Dollar Tree. I feel like it's nice. I wish it had a little bit more oomph to it, but it's nice still, and I like adding it to that little space that I left behind. And now what you see me doing is I'm just reapplying the colors that I've already laid down, which again is a thing with wet liners that you have to do to get that desired pigmentation. And here I go in with a red wet liner, and I draw this random shape on the outer corner of my lid, and I think it's kind of a funny shape. It almost looks like a bunny with its ears back. And here I go back in with the neon orange wet liner, and I'm just kind of drawing alongside that red shape and then kind of adding something extra with it too. And here I go back in with the neon yellow, and I'm just drawing along the orange that I just put down. And here I'm going back in with the gold liner by Ioni and just adding that there for a little bit of a highlight. And here I go in with a blue wet liner that's different from that first like sky blue wet liner, and I'm just drawing alongside that red on the mobile lid. And here I go in with another one of Ioni's glitter liners. This one is a silver one, but it has holographic sparkles in it. However, sadly, I feel like it didn't really show up that much. The gold one is definitely the better one of them. But yeah, I added some of that to that very center of my mobile lid. And then when I realized it wasn't showing up that much, I just grabbed my flat shader brush and went in with the same highlight eyeshadow that I used for the brow bone. And I just pat that down quite a bit. And for this look, I decided not to apply false lashes because I didn't want them covering up all this like line work and all these colors. So I just go ahead and curl my lashes and apply mascara, and that's it. And that is it for this experimental color blob look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed doing it. It was really fun and kind of therapeutic. Thank you so much for watching.